How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are painting this 2013 Ford F-150. It turned out pretty slick. Thanks to Motivated Painters for hooking us up with the welcome gun. Check them out on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description. For now, let's go ahead and get started.
Calling to say I
So we got the truck in the paint room. We got it nice and clean. And the truck is pretty much prepped for paint, but we do have to take a few things off, like the mirrors, headlights, and tail lights, and then we'll start taping this sucker up. Let's get started. Alright guys, so check this out. The base coat is down and the paint laid down really nice and smooth, so we are ready for clear. Let's go ahead and tack it down one more time and slick this in, eh? What's up, guys? Next day here, and yesterday we did get the bed painted. It turned out nice and slick. This morning I got the cab taped up along with the bed, so we are good to go. I want to get this knocked out today since the weather's just right. So let's go ahead and mix up some paint and get to work.
calling to say I
Guys, that's a wrap for this episode. The paint job turned out amazing. Very little buffing needed, especially painting it in a garage like I did. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks for watching. I'm out.